located in central areas of large Indian metropolises and cities. Central store are the large format stores measuring anywhere between 60,000 square foot to 2,30,000 square foot and offering over 500, yes, 500 domestic and international brands across every category, including menswear, casual wear, ethnic wear, women's wear, kids wear, footwear, accessories, home product, health and beauty. These stores, often located in standalone locations, also have food courts, restaurants, supermarket, and electronic superstores built within. Central store are located in large cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Ahmedabad, and Gurgaon, as well as small cities like Baroda, Indore, Vizag, Patna, and Surat. At present, there are 33 central stores present in 20 cities, operating over 3 million square foot of retail space across India. So with this, now I would like to invite Ms. Neha Sinha, Marketing Manager Mumbai, on stage to please come forward and address the media. Welcome her with a round of applause.
A very good morning, everyone. We are very happy that you just to make our day, you people are here. We are very glad that you have traveled all the way from your place to Central. So we are very enthusiastic about the offer. We are very excited, and a lot of things like buzz is created. So now I think now you people are gonna make it very very big for Central. So here we start. So I request Shia to take it forward. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Neha. Now I invite Mr. Umesh Agnihotri, Store General Manager, to please come on stage and tell us in detail about the Central 3 days free shipping offer. So welcome him with a huge round of applause. Come on.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thanks to all of you guys who came on the time. You are actually spending very good time with us, and we looking forward to your support. Here, myself Umesh, representing Central Mumbai. The free shopping festival, which is gonna another benchmark for our entire Central entire team. 33 Central we have in Pan India. Here, free shopping festival, there is a multiple categories are there. So men's footwear, ladies footwear, handbags, apparel, men's formal, men's casual, youth, kids, sunglasses, all multiple categories inside one respective forum for free shopping festival. So this is the big benchmark when we are talking about free shopping festival. If customer shop 8,000 rupees on MRP, he or she can get, he has to pay only 4,000 rupees for merchandise. That's it. And he can also avail as a customer 2,000 rupees for merchandise complimentary free. There is no charge. Second, customer will also get 1,500 rupees ka Central gift voucher. Third, customer can get another Axis Bank. If he was carrying any Axis debit or credit card, shop for rupees 6,000 and get maximum 10% cash back with maximum amount of 750 bucks. Moving, Paytm is there. Paytm is another benchmark for all of us, and the online is on board. So we have connected all come together here, all either existing customer or internal customer, where they can avail the best benefits. So 400 rupees maximum cashback in their Paytm Movies wallet. There is a future pay also there. So if customer is paying shopping 8,000 rupees and he's paying 4,000 bucks here, so he can also he can get 500 rupees in their wallet. So there is a future wallet is there. So customer can take advantage, which he can redeem instant after the shopping any of the Future Group format like Big Bazaar. So as a Future Group family who is part of as a central team, Future Lifestyle Fashion Limited, we are creating a buzz in the Mumbai city. We are the hero for fashion, and we would like to create a benchmark in that Mumbai zone. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Really appreciate your effort. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
For the 8,000, or there is no limit?
There is no limit. It can be multiple. If his customer is buying 16,000, he has to pay only 8,000.
Whatever amount is going to spend, he will get back the 50%.
Sir. It will get multiple.
After that, 1,500, there is a gift voucher.
Sir.
That is valid only for these 3 days.
Sir, 15th of February till 30th of March. All new arrival customer can avail the best discount with us.
This is the first time in Central is.
Yeah, first time.
It's kind of free shop or fast also.
Sir.
What is the reason especially for this bill as is?
Sir, we took a lot of learning and we took a very good experience from our customer who is loyal with us and who is getting enjoyed day-to-day basis. Here we have seen the fantastic engagement. Any kind of promotion when we run, our customer always wait for when Central gonna come with lot of buzz. So this time we created a history. Let's enjoy with free shopping and let them have a free hand with happy customer when they exit from the store.
This offer is valid only for these all intersections like electronics and other things.
Sir, this is applicable only for Central. No hometown, no e-zone.
It's not a franchise, it's only applicable on the Central.
Sir.
भानु मिश्रा फ्रॉम नवभारत न्यूज़पेपर।
Hi, sir.
ये जो आपने लिमिट रखी है 8,000 दिलो नहीं है इसको होकर ही रहेगा परचेसिंग।
Yeah, minimum slab 8,000 rupees का customer को select करना है sir. 8,000 rupees का MRP he has to select. Then he has to pay only 4K and after he can avail the maximum benefit.
इस मामले में और जो कंपनियां बिजनेस करती हैं उनसे अपना अलग कैसे मानते हैं अपने आप को उनसे अलग कैसे मानते हैं?
Sir, here as you know it's a very big department store and we are the one who is considering all the 500 brands under one roof. And the larger format here we are taking care of customer experience, our basic touch point of the store, for example from cash till exit. So from entry to exit we are ensuring our basic touch point on the top of the situation. Second, we are ensuring if any customer get any negative feedback from the store, within 24 hours, our team is ensuring that query should solve it immediately. That is the strength for the Central and we are the known for fashion and we would like to create a benchmark in India.
Thanks.
सेंटर के अंदर आ रहा है वो मर्चेंडाइज खरीदने के साथ साथ यहाँ से खुश होके जाए तो उनके लिए हम जो भी कर सकते हैं लाइक उनके कस्टमर सर्विस के लिए उनके लिए हर एक चीज़ चाहे कैश काउंटर हो या वो इजीली शॉपिंग कर सके तो उनके लिए चलने की जगह हो एवरीथिंग इज प्लान प्रॉपर्ली ताकि उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो और उन्हें हम एक सेफ और एक अच्छा शॉपिंग दें।
कैश का क्या इसमें कैश
Sorry sir?
कैश को लेके
The kind of transaction we do, उससे Central को तो इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा सर. 98% transaction we are doing on the card. 98% and believe me people have the money either it can be middle class customer it can be high class also. So I can definitely quote कि transaction has gone high in especially in card. So there is not much impact in our business.
तो मिनिमम प्राइस क्या है प्रोडक्ट के कहाँ से स्टार्टिंग?
Minimum start from if you are asking from apparels.
जी
Apparels start from 399 to 99 till 10,000, 20,000, 40,000 also.
Why select this period only instead of going Christmas? More benefits, no, because people are interested to go.
Sir, Christmas, before Christmas, we did flat 50% for lifestyle category. So that is another benchmark we set. And Christmas is our usual holiday, long holiday was there. If I am not wrong, 22 to 20, almost 30, 31st of night. Entire holiday was all bacha party was fully bang on. Entire holiday was fully vacation. So obviously customer will recall us. There is no choice. And here we want to have a benchmark as a central team. If customer forget also now, we always recall by the SMS, by the telecalling. So people always recall us.
Some other means whatever the scheme is going, it is not going to applicable.
So
Like lifestyle, still there is a scheme another 50% that is lost.
Sir,
But if we go for this, in that case, that scheme is not applicable.
No. Only one offer is applicable. Yeah. Multiple offer cannot be clubbed.
हमने इसमें बात किया है कस्टमर के सेटिस्फेक्शन की। इसमें क्या कभी उनको लगा कि हमको कुछ एक्सचेंज करना है प्रोडक्ट्स तो ये सुविधा उपलब्ध है उनके लिए।
Yeah. For these 3 days, we are ensuring to manage the traffic. We have made a stamp also for in-store between. No exchange, no refund. We have made it. But if customer would like to come with some size here and there, we are open from Monday till last. Wherever we are open, 365 days open for the customer, and they are the one who can create a benchmark. And we don't want to get any hamper experience which create another damage to as a brand, as a center.
Next year now.
customer. It can be middle class customer or high class. It can be high class customer, middle class customer. Every customer wait for our end of season sale, and this is the time to create a history. That's the reason we selected these days. So when we closing the Christmas, all people are bang on out after the party. Then we would like to enter the first week where the salary part get involved in their pocket. So another benchmark to change the game.
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Hope we will rock like anything. We need your wishes. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
I request the entire central team to the media to please proceed towards the refreshment. It's right outside the Chart Samrat. You can see behind is a Chart Samrat outlet. It's there. So I enjoyed all of you. So with this we are done.
Yeah, good afternoon everyone here. Myself Umesh, who is presenting the central. We have four central in Mumbai. Kandivali is there, Dahisar is there, Vasi is there, and Goregaon is there. All four stores put together. We are assuming that free shopping festival will create a benchmark. If any customer who shop 8,000 rupees who select 8,000 rupees ka merchandise, he or she has to pay only 4,000 rupees ka merchandise. He has to pay only, and he can also get additional benefit. So like example, customer can get 15 rupees ka complimentary gift voucher from our store. Then he can also get 2,000 rupees ka free merchandise from us. Third one is customer can also get 500 rupees in pocket by the future pay. Fourth one is if customer go by the online Paytm, he can also get a 400 rupees cashback in their Paytm wallet. So there is another advantage for the respective customer. Sir, in overall we have a 33 central in Pan India. So we have a Pune, we have a Vizag, we have a Hyderabad, we have a Bangalore, we have a Mumbai, we have a Gujarat, so Baroda, Surat, Ahmedabad. So these all entire Pan India is there. 33 central.
These services available all over.
All central. Oh yeah, all 33 central. Customer can take advantage. They can move anywhere. They can redeem all the gift voucher for the respective location.
Due to demonetization, will your business get affected?
No. We are doing fair enough good business, and we are expecting a lot of excitement from the customer as well also.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
See, like if we talk about 3 days free shopping, we have done a huge campaign for that. We are present everywhere. We have done the social marketing, digital marketing. We are there on Facebook. We are there on Twitter. I mean, you log into any of your social accounts, we are present there. We have given the TVCs also. TV ads are there on each and every channel. You can see our TV ads. We have done the outdoors. We have got big hoardings all over Mumbai.
What kind of services you are providing by in the 3 day free shopping? In a sense, you are giving a lot of discounts. So how you are coping with your business? Do you not think your business will be affected by this?
See, no, I don't think so, because this will really help us in bringing our biggest turnover and the loyal customer, of course, because we want to first make customer provide services to them, and then it's a business company. For any of the business companies, I feel that most important is the customer. If that is built up, then everything is home.
Customer is the king. If they are happy, we will definitely turn around the tables for business.
This discount service is only 3 days, or in future also you are coming with a plan regarding?
No.
Only
this is
3
the
days.
first time ever, and only 3 days.
And this service is available on Mumbai only or all over India? Your shop?
It's for Pan India.
35
Pan
stores
India.
in India.
Now we have facing a big crunch, financial crunch, demonetization of currency. That your business, did it affected your business here because of this reason? Because many analysts and business people say that the business affected.
Not
what is
much.
your take on this issue?
Not much, because I would say because this has really helped people become more, with the
Transacting with the
transacting
cards.
with the cards, and we have seen that 90% of the customer which we are getting are transacting with the cards.
And
So
we
that
are
is
really
really
thankful
helping
to
us.
our
Yeah.
other cashless partners also. Like if you see in this 3 days free shopping also, we are taking payments through Paytm also. apart from cards. If you are using your cards, we are giving you additional discounts. If you are paying through the cashless mode, we have given the Paytm offer where we are giving the cashback also. So we are open to accepting all types of transactions.
Digital other companies are helping you. They're like the ATMs also.
It's a partnership, I would say. Nobody is helping. It's
Customers are
purely
happy
business.
regarding this services, cashless only.
Very, very, very happy because I think because we are at the same time benefiting customer also when they are using Paytm and the other apps like Mobic and all, they are getting cashback or some other offer or contest also we are running. So at the same time that is benefiting customer also. So they are actually enjoying it, I'm sure.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you.